Have you ever heard of Baltic Amber? Not just a beautiful golden gem, but a gift from ancient forests, preserved for over 40 million years. This isn't a typical gemstone, it's fossilized tree resin, rich in natural healing compounds. And among all types of amber, Baltic Amber is the most prized because of one powerful element, succinic acid. Succinic acid is a natural anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. When Baltic Amber is worn against the skin, especially as a necklace or bracelet, small amounts of this acid are absorbed through body heat. The result? Many people report reduced pain, calmer nerves, and stronger immunity. It's especially popular for teething babies in Europe, believed to ease gum pain and reduce fussiness, all without chemicals. Adults can benefit too. Baltic Amber is said to help with joint and muscle pain, headaches and neck tension, inflammation from arthritis, anxiety and chronic stress. Some even wear it during sleep to improve relaxation and balance their energy. On a deeper level, Baltic Amber has been used in spiritual practices to cleanse the aura, release emotional blockages, and connect with Earth's ancient wisdom. Whether you wear it for beauty, for healing, or for its deep natural energy, Baltic Amber is a timeless treasure, offering both warmth and wellness.